Hello everyone, my name is Jitendra Gangwani. I'm your host and you are watching my YouTube channel, that is Jeet Pinnacle Institute Jitendra Gangwani. So today I have come up with another topic, that is goals versus system. What are the goals? What is the system? And how we can differentiate these both. I want to share with you this. Goals are about what? Goals are about the results which everybody wanna achieve it, and system is all about process of getting the results. Again, I'm repeating it. Goals are goals are about the results which everybody wanna achieve. Everybody wanna achieve these results. But system is all about what? System is the process, and it's all about the process of getting the result. Suppose if I want to teach people, so I have decided my goal is to teach within 5 years 1 million people. It's my goal, and I feel like achieving this goal with the support of you all members who are watching now my video. So I can achieve this goal, but how I can achieve this goal? When I have the good system, when I have got the system to process, and process of getting the good result can be done when I have the system to apply these organs. If I want to tell you that I am an entrepreneur, so my goal is to build a good business in all over planet. But how would I? Through system I will. How many people I recruit, how many people I accept, how many people I reject, how many people would be my employees. This would be up to you. This is my process, this is my system. The system is the process of getting the result. But how you can get the result when you have the good system? And majority of the people do not understand. They only think of goals and achieving them. But how can they achieve? They cannot achieve the goals when they have the when they don't have the results, and they cannot get the good results when they don't have the system, and they cannot maintain the system when they don't have the good process. So system is all about the process of getting the good results. If you wanna really get the good results in your life, so you need to maintain one good result. You need to maintain the system. Maintaining the systems are used in all over world, in all over planet, and people manage it. Majority of people fail. Why? Because they do not want to understand what is the system. They want to believe in their goals. It's okay, I agree, I also have some dreams, I have some goals, I want to believe in these goals. I will accept and I will grab these goals through my good results. But how would I get these goals? When I dreamt of something, then I would get. If I did not dream of anything else in future, I would not get it. So first I need to work upon my goals. Once I state that okay, I have met these goals, so for getting these goals I need the results. Once I get the results, so I will check it out how I have got the result through system. And system is all about the process of getting the good results. The system is stronger than your goals. Whenever you want to achieve anything else in your life, first work upon your system. How does your system work? It's up to you. If you think, yes, I have got the good system, then I can maintain it, then it's okay. Then you can get the good process of getting the good result. And it's the thinking. It's only thinking. When you change your thinking, then you would get to know, yes, there is a system which is preventing me from going ahead. But if I maintain this system and the process which is going on in my system, if I change it, because sometimes I do not understand why ain't I getting the profits, why ain't I getting the benefits, because we have not maintained good system. If you are a coach, your goal is to win, but how could you win? You cannot win unless you practice, unless you make your team members practice. So you people say that yes, goals are important, results are important, but there's a system behind of this, which are pushing the system is always pushing results, goals. So people look at the goals, people look at the results, but they do not look back of the results and goals. There's a system which is pushing them ahead. So whenever something is pushing you, it means there's a system which is pushing you ahead, and you are the part of that system. Goals mostly make you play the games. Goals tell you that yes, you have to win the race. This is the goal. Goal tells you yes, you have to win the race. How you can win the race? When you go into the race, when you put yourself into that race. And only standing in a queue and for running, that will not make you a good racer unless you practice. So there's a system which is making you play continuously. Your goal is there that you have to win the race, and system is telling you keep playing the games, continue with the game, continue to play the game, then you will win the race. So there is a world of difference between goals and system. Thank you guys. If you are liking these videos nowadays, which I have been making regularly, so do subscribe to my channel. Of course, I would be making lots of videos like this in future also. Thanks for listening to me. Have a nice time ahead.